Question answer of chapter 8. Chapter 8 question answer we will discuss today. B1. I think all have not joined yet.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon.
Good morning, ma'am.
Morning, good morning. Are you all ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
And take out your book. All of you have marked fill in the blanks. That means question number A, B, and C. Yes or no? Yesterday we have discussed ना कल आप लोग का ABC हो गया था ना?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Okay. So come to question number D1. Still all of you are joining. इसीलिए हम wait कर रहे हैं.
मैम C1 में क्या होगा?
C1 diffusion.
Yes, ma'am.
So let's revise this. एक बार रिवीजन कर लेते हैं ABC का. Water and minerals are transported to various parts of plant by a network of tube called the xylem.
Phloem.
Correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Phloem, not phloem, xylem. Water and minerals are transported to various parts of the plant by a network of tube called xylem. Then hemoglobin is the respiratory carrier in blood. The upper chamber of heart are known as atrium, while the lower chambers are known as ventricles. Septum is the muscular wall that divides the heart lengthwise. Septum is the muscular wall that divides the heart lengthwise. Excretion in unicellular plants and animals takes place through diffusion. Excretion in unicellular plants and animals takes place through diffusion. Next, B1. Phloem transport food from leaves to the other parts of the plant. True. Transpiration is harmful for the plants. False.
False.
Oxygenated blood from lungs flows into the left atrium and then to all parts of the body.
मैम
True.
मैम 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 कल आपने बोला था कि B2 का आंसर ट्रू होगा क्योंकि वो नेसेसरी इविल है.
नहीं फॉल्स. फिर मैं करेक्ट करवाई थी कि वो फॉल्स होगा.
Yes, ma'am.
फिर मैं करेक्ट करवाई थी लास्ट में.
Yes, ma'am.
Oxygenated blood from the lungs flows into the left atrium and then to all parts of the body. True.
True.
Arteries, yes, arteries carry the oxygen deficient blood back to the heart.
False.
False.
Platelets help in clotting of blood.
True.
True.
The red color of the blood is due to the presence of
False.
plasma.
False.
False. Urine is passed out of the body through the
True.
urethra.
True. True.
True.
The process that helps in transportation in
Diffusion.
unicellular organisms.
Diffusion.
Diffusion. In plants, water is transported by the xylem.
Xylem.
Blood vessels having thick elastic walls are called arteries.
Art.
Which part of the blood has hemoglobin?
RBCs.
RBCs.
Yes. Urine gets collected
Urinary
in
bladder.
Urinary bladder.
bladder. So till here, सबका हो गया है ये? फिर आप लोग एक दूसरे से मांगोगे नहीं ना, सब लोग मांग
No,
करेंगे
no,
ना?
ma'am.
Okay. What will happen if the xylem tissue get damaged in a branch of a tree? What will happen? Xylem tissue अगर damage हो जाएगा तो
That branch will die.
Transportation of
तो
water
water
will
मिलेगा?
not take place. Water mineral will not take place.
The
Transportation
transportation
of
of
water
water and minerals in
So
plants
plant
not
will
take
die.
place,
You
and
will
plants
die.
will die.
Transportation of water and minerals will not take place, so the plants will die. Okay. Transportation of water and minerals will not take place, so the plant will die. Define transpiration. Take out page number 118. 118 निकालिए. First paragraph. Transpiration is the evaporation of water molecules in the form of water vapors from the plant surface, especially from stomata on leaves. All of you have got these lines?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Till there. Transpiration is the evaporation से लेकर leaves तक. ठीक है?
मैम D1 है.
हाँ?
D2.
हाँ, नहीं ये D2 है. D2.
मैम D1.
D1 अभी हम आपको बोले ना. अभी जो हम
Yes,
ओरल
ma'am.
बोले वो आप नोट नहीं किए. D1 लिखो. Write down. If the xylem tissue gets damaged in a branch of a tree, the transportation of water and minerals will be stopped. The transportation of water and minerals will be stopped, so the plant will die. So the plant will die. Name the 3 types of blood vessels.
Artery, veins,
Three
and
types of blood
capillaries.
Artery,
vessels
vein, and
are-
capillaries.
Yes, you have to write the name only here. Arteries, veins, and capillaries. State any 2 functions of the blood. State any 2 functions of the blood. Page
Page number
number
121.
121.
121.
Any 2 function you can write. कोई भी 2 function आप लिख लीजिए. Blood है कोई first, second, third कोई भी, anyone, any 2. ठीक है? लेकिन 2 से ज्यादा आप लोग को फंक्शंस याद होना चाहिए. कभी कभी एग्जाम में 2 नहीं आता है, 3, 4 भी आ जाता है, क्योंकि ये लॉन्ग आंसर में भी दिया जा सकता है. ठीक है?
Okay,
Yes.
ma'am.
Define the term pulse rate. Take out page number 125. You must know, page 125, the number of times the heart beats in 1 minute is called the pulse rate. The number of times, 14th point, point number 14. The number of
Okay,
times
ma'am.
the heart beats in 1 minute is called the pulse rate. Then come to the next question, that is E1. E1 पे आइए. Briefly explain the transport of water and minerals in plants. Page number 116. 116 पे आइए.
Yes, ma'am.
Transport of water and minerals, that topic. वहाँ पर topic है, वहाँ से mark करो.
Yes, ma'am.
Plants obtain water and minerals from the soil. This is usually done through roots. Roots also have root hairs that increase the surface area for absorption of water and minerals. The absorbed water and minerals are transported to the other parts of the plant by a network of tubes called xylem. Last जो line है, there is a separate network of tubes that transport food from leaves to the other parts of the plant. This network is called phloem.
Phloem.
Till there. और आप
Okay,
लोग
ma'am.
इसका डायग्राम बना लोगे, जाइलम और फ्लोएम का डायग्राम जो पेज नंबर 117 में दिया हुआ है, ठीक है?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, then come to describe in brief the function of heart. Page number 119. 119 में आप लोग निकालिए.
Yes, ma'am.
Page 119.
Yes, ma'am.
Heart. The heart is a hollow vessel in the middle left of the chest that pumps blood to different parts of the body. A muscular wall called septum divides the heart lengthwise into its left and right sides. A valve divides each side into two chambers, an upper atrium and a lower ventricle.
Ventricle.
When the heart muscle contracts, they squeeze the blood through the arteria and then through the ventricles. Oxygenated blood from lungs flows into left atrium and then to all parts of the body. Deoxygenated blood returning from the body flows into the right atrium and then to lungs for oxygenation. Till there. Okay? सब कोई mark कर
Okay,
दिए?
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Next question.
Yes, ma'am.
Now next question. State the functions of three types of blood vessels. Page number 120.
20.
Three types of blood vessels. Arteries. Blood vessels के point में आप नीचे आओ second paragraph में. Arteries
Yes, ma'am.
carry oxygen-rich blood from the heart to all parts to all other parts of the body. The arteries branch out into smaller tubes known as capillaries when they enter the different organs of the body. Next, this is for the capillaries. Veins carry oxygen deficient and carbon dioxide rich blood back to the heart. Veins carry oxygen deficient and carbon dioxide rich blood back to the heart. Got it? सब लोग लिख लिए?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
चलो.
मैम वन टाइम रिपीट कीजिए ना.
Next question is, give one function each of RBC, WBC and platelets. Come to page number
120.
120. RBC.
मैम
Yes.
E3 रिपीट कीजिए ना.
E3 में आपको करना है 3 types of blood vessels के बारे में लिखना है. पेज नंबर 120 निकालिए. Arteries लिखेगा. Arteries carry oxygen rich blood from heart to all parts of the body. Veins carry oxygen deficient and carbon dioxide rich blood back to the heart. और capillaries के बारे में लिखिए. Arteries branch into small tubes known as capillaries when they enter different organs of the body. या ये भी लिख सकते हो, capillaries connect arteries and veins. Capillaries connect it.
Okay, ma'am.
Next, RBC के बारे में लिखिए आप लोग. RBCs a self-containing protein molecule, hemoglobin, which transports, add कर दीजिए, which transports oxygen to different parts of the body and is therefore known as respiratory carrier. WBC, these are the defense forces of the body. White blood cells destroy harmful bacteria and dead cells. They protect our body against infection. Platelets. Platelets help in clotting of blood. WBC के बारे में आपका 2-3 उसमें दिया हुआ है ये वर्क फंक्शन. तो आप एक कोई भी लिखोगे तो दैट विल बी करेक्ट. अगर एक आस्क किया हुआ है क्वेश्चन में तो, लेकिन हम आपको बता दिए हैं ताकि आपको थोड़ा एक्स्ट्रा नॉलेज भी होना चाहिए. कभी कभी ट्विस्टेड वे में भी क्वेश्चंस रहते हैं. प्लेटलेट्स हेल्प इन क्लॉटिंग ऑफ ब्लड. Draw a neat and well-labeled diagram of human excretory system.
On page 123.
123.
Human excretory system. All of you take out page number
123.
123. You will draw a well-labeled diagram of this human excretory system. Clear?
Okay, ma'am.
Neat and well-labeled diagram you have to draw. Then come to this value-based question of this chapter. Mr. Vidwan, a very dedicated, disciplined and devoted teacher, decided to spend his post-retirement life in his village. He spent his time there in helping the village children to acquire the basic skills of 3 R's. The village elders would often say, Mr. Vidwan spends all his time in transporting his knowledge and skill to other children. He is as important to us as the roots are to the plant. State the values displayed by Mr. Vidwan. What are the values?
Helpful.
Kindness and helpful.
Devoted, disciplined, dedicated, and helping. These all are the values here. Name the substance that is the source, substance and its source which is transported to other parts of the plant by roots and leaves. Substance क्या होता है root से transport?
Water and minerals. And water and minerals.
Source क्या होता है उसका? Soil. Source is from the soil. और leaves से क्या substance transport होता है?
Food.
और source क्या है? किस चीज से food बनता है? सारा source लिखोगे. Carbon dioxide,
water,
sunlight.
These all are the source to which this food is prepared. Try to read the life story of any person who transported his or her knowledge, skill, wealth to the society as last. Share a story with the other student. This is just a method to develop your skill and to know about others also, those who are equivalent to with one. ठीक है? अब आप लोग tomorrow we will have a definition also of 2 chapters. So yesterday I have given you the made you underline the hard word of this lesson, chapter 8. Chapter 6 का भी
Today
कर
of
लीजिए.
chapter 6.
Chapter 6 you all take out. Chapter 6 निकालिए.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Vehicles, surroundings, immediate, then after that, relative, experienced, platform, evidence, visualized, interpreted, the next page, hailstones, rectilinear, concerned, indicator, maximum, convenient, respectively, relationship, total quantities, next page, satellite, instantaneous, speedometer, uniform and non-uniform, traveling, periodic, resolution, oscillating, simple pendulum, equilibrium, equivalent, extreme, oscillation, next page, oscillation, don't talk in between. Accurately, both crystal clocks, odometers, then come to page number 92. Mathematics, information, communicate, communicate, appropriate, maximum, maximum, respective. So these are the words you have to learn. And be ready, tomorrow we will have dictation also of both the chapters. So these days we had missed this dictation. So we will once again tomorrow get ready with your pen and copy so that you can complete your work at time. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. So anything you have to ask in this chapter?
No, ma'am.
चैप्टर नंबर 8 कोई चीज पूछना भी है आपको?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
किसी का कुछ छूट गया है तो आप पूछ सकते हो फिर से क्वेश्चन आंसर में भी.
मैम D2
Just check. हाँ
D2
describe in brief the function of heart. पेज नंबर 119 119 निकालिए.
मैम D2
D2 अच्छा D2 में लिखो 118 पेज. Transpiration is the evaporation of water molecules in the form of water vapors from the plant surface, especially from the stomata on its leaves. Page number 118. और कोई क्वेश्चन जिसमें आपको कंफ्यूजन हो रहा है?
Ma'am, E4.
E4. Give one function of each of RBC, WBC, platelet. Page number 121 निकालो. No, not 121. हाँ 121 ही है. RBCs are cells containing protein molecule hemoglobin. Hemoglobin transports oxygen to different parts of the body and is therefore known as respiratory carrier. WBC, these are the defense forces of the body. कोई एक भी लिख सकते हो. White blood cells destroy harmful bacteria and dead cell. They protect our body against the infections, and platelets help in clotting of blood. Clear? और कुछ? Anything more you have to ask? कोई और question में?
No, ma'am.
And kindly all
No,
of
ma'am.
you go and just note it down in your copy, because I think I just when I finish the next chapter, then I see that you all do the discussion of the previous one that you have not written. जो भी अगर हम देखेंगे इस तरह का डिस्कशन करते हुए, उसको हम उसी समय फोन लगा के उसके पेरेंट्स से बात करेंगे, क्योंकि आप लोग अलर्ट नहीं रहते हैं. कोई भी अगर ग्रुप पे एक दूसरे से पूछेगा कि मुझे कॉपी दे दो, मुझे ये क्वेश्चन बता दो, then I will just scold you very badly. Because if I am giving you, then you should complete it then and there. आप लोग के पास और क्या काम है घर में जो आप लोग अपना क्वेश्चन आंसर भी नहीं लिखते हो? Okay, so just complete this work. This is for today, and tomorrow we will meet again. Okay.
Good day, ma'am.
Okay, good day.
Bye, ma'am.
हाँ बोलो. इसको कुछ पूछना है? हाँ.
E3 का आंसर.
D3. Name the 3 types of blood vessels. Arteries. लिखो ARTERIES. Arteries. Veins. 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 And capillaries. 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 Arteries, veins, and capillaries.
No, ma'am. E3. D3 नहीं E3.
E3. E3 तो आपको पेज नंबर 120 निकालो ना. Take out page number 120. Arteries carry oxygen-rich blood from heart to all parts of the body. Page number 120, second paragraph. Veins carry oxygen deficient and carbon dioxide rich blood back to the heart. और capillaries के बारे में लिखो, the arteries branch out into smaller tubes known as capillaries when they enter the different organs of the body. Okay. Is it clear now?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Chalo, should
Thank
we
you, ma'am.
conclude the class?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Chalo.
Yes.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am. Have a
Thank
nice
you.
day, ma'am.
Have a nice day, ma'am.
Thank you.
Good day, ma'am.